if you're looking at a divorce, you probably need a lawyer. Certainly, if you've got a house, if you've got kids, if you've got retirement assets, if you've got numerous bank accounts, you've got savings accounts, you've got brokerage accounts, you've got investment properties, if you own a business, you know, if you have a little LLC that you and your spouse run, or you run, or your spouse runs, all of those things have value, and we got to calculate how we divide this estate in a way that sets the parties up for success. Now, keep in mind that me as a lawyer, my job is to make sure my client is set up for success. I've got no duty to the other party. So if you get served with divorce papers, your spouse is represented by counsel, that lawyer's job is to be setting their client up for success, to get them the best split of the assets that they can get. You need that on your side as well, right? You cannot listen to the other lawyer. You can't listen to your spouse about what they think is fair, right? So if the other side has a lawyer, you for sure need a lawyer. And if you've got pretty much any asset, you're probably going to want a lawyer to get a divorce decree that at least explains exactly how that asset is dealt with, so that you don't have those complicating factors after the divorce is over and you've got assets that weren't divided. So there's a lot of analysis that goes into dividing an estate before, during, and after a divorce. So this is what we do for a living. And, people who aren't lawyers, you don't do this for a living, so you don't even know what you don't know. And this is why lawyers, this is how we make a living, is figuring these things out and trying to get you set up for success.